Are you looking for the ESPN Fantasy Football League ID? In this video, I will show you how you can find it. First of all, you want to open up the ESPN Fantasy app on your device. Now tap on the football option, then find your league. Now tap on My Team. Head over to the League tab. Here you will find different options. Go ahead and select the one that says League Info. Tap on that. Now you will find different options here. At the top you have Basic Settings section. Here at the bottom you have the option of League ID. Now you will not have the option to copy league ID from here, so you can either take a screenshot or simply write this league ID down. League ID is required to share your league with others, troubleshoot with ESPN support, or connect your league to third-party tools. And in this way you can easily find your ESPN Fantasy Football League ID. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.